Only 1% can solve this. What is the speed of light? (300,000 kilometers per second). Which particle has a negative charge? Electron. What gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Gold. Which planet has the strongest gravity? Jupiter. What does DNA stand for? Deoxyribonucleic acid. Which organ produces insulin? Pancreas. What is the hardest natural substance? Diamond. What unit measures electric current? Ampere. Which vitamin is produced by sunlight? Vitamin D. What is the center of an atom called? Nucleus. Which gas do plants release? Oxygen. What force keeps planets in orbit? Gravity. What is H2O? Water. Which blood cells fight infection? White blood cells. What is the boiling point of water, degree C? (100°C). Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Mercury. What part of the eye controls light entry? Iris. What is Earth's main energy source? Sun. Which element has atomic number 1? Hydrogen. What type of blood do mosquitoes drink? Moon. Which part of plant makes food? Helium. What is the main gas in the sun? Chemical. Which wave needs no medium? Kidney. What organ controls hormones? Cerebellum. What is dry ice made of? Cell. Which element is needed for strong bones? Mars. What causes rusting? Oxygen. What is the largest organ in the human body? Frequency. What does CPU stand for? Skull. What type of blood do mosquitoes drink? All types of blood. Which part of plant makes food? Leaf. What is the main gas in the sun? Hydrogen. Which wave needs no medium? Light. What organ controls hormones? Endocrine glands. What is dry ice made of? Solid carbon dioxide. Which element is needed for strong bones? Calcium. What causes rusting? Air and moisture. What is the largest organ in the human body? Skin. What does CPU stand for? Central processing unit. Out of 40 questions, how many did you get right? Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more fun quiz videos.